quit. Add some spice, now that's the hit. Dine in, diving, we're cooking it right.
Hey girl, hey! So the roommate is off on a trip to Napa. So I decided I was going to cook dinner with wine that I think he got from Napa. Ronbauer? It's a white wine. You need a white wine to make a lobster sauce pasta. If you have cognac or brandy, you're gonna want that too. Let's make some lobster sauce pasta. So for lobster sauce pasta, we're gonna need all this. I'll put the items in the description. So we've got lobster tails. If you can afford a whole lobster, you can do that, but it's just me, so we're just not doing that. Some garlic, you can use real garlic. I'm cheating because I'm hungry and I need to make this fast. Olive oil, salt, pepper, some butter. That's like 3 tablespoons of butter. A whole shallot, tarragon, bay leaves, cayenne pepper, sugar, some white wine. Use a dry white if you have it. I'm not a sommelier. I don't know if this is dry or not, but it's a white wine. My roommate had it, so we're just gonna use it. Cognac, brandy, use one of them. You're gonna want crushed tomatoes, heavy cream at the end, and pasta. So first we're going to cut up our shallot because I'm only using one knife. Might as well do it on this first, and then we'll mess with the lobster. Get rid of the outer shell. Shallots are a lot like onions. So you just cut it, do that. Do the same on this. You just do these slices first, as many as you want, so you can get nice, thin. Watch your fingers. This cut. And then you can just go like that. Now we get to mess with the lobster. Okay. So with the lobsters, you want them thawed enough to where, they're basically able to, the tails are pliable enough to move around. So we're good. Chop these in half. If you're using an entire lobster, you just want to cut it into pieces. Chop up the arms and the legs. We're basically using the shell and the meat to put flavor into the sauce. Alright, so we've got a pan, a medium with olive oil. Getting that nice and hot, well, warm, hot. We're heating it up on medium heat. Olive oil in the pan. Once the oil is hot enough, we're going to put our lobster tails in there. It's going to spatter, or not. If your oil is hot enough, it will. I'm in a rush. It'll start to sizzle. You want shell side down. When it's in there, we're going to season it with salt and pepper. kind of let it do its thing for about 10 minutes. Get it mixed around and flip on. Just keep it going for that 10 minutes. Don't worry about overcooking it. The meat we're just going to pull out and add it back in. But we need the flavor from the shell. And we just have this on a medium heat. And all that's in there is the olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's all we got. But you'll see it start to turn red. And that's okay. After you've simmered the shells, we're going to take it out of the pan and remove the meat and put the shells empty back in. When you're draining your pasta, try to save some of that pasta water for later. I'm just going to use like a 1/4 cup of this pasta water. Drain the rest. Your meat that I'm going to put aside for right now. Got my empty shells. Go back in. Any juices you got in there, we want those juices. Put it back. Now, we're going to put in shallot, the diced shallot from earlier. Garlic, 1 bay leaf, tarragon, cayenne pepper, sugar, half a cup of white wine, 2 ounces of cognac or brandy. Can of crushed tomatoes. Now you can get your, if you want to shred this up and put it in your sauce, that's what I'm going to do. Now we can just cover this up and let it simmer. Just let it simmer about 5-10 minutes. Alright, when we're done simmering, we can lift up the lobster shells. Have done their job. And the bay leaf has done its job. Get rid of that too. We're going to add in our butter to reduce our heat down to more of a low. I'm going to add in that pasta water. Do a taste test, see if it needs more sugar, salt. If you want it spicy, add more cayenne pepper. Okay. So I'm good where I'm at. Now we're going to go in with heavy cream. You knew this was coming. What sauce doesn't use heavy cream? Do a slow drip and mix it in. Probably do 1 or 2 cups of heavy cream depending on, you know, do you want a lot of sauce? Do you want it thick? Do you want it... This is your liking. think I'm good right here where I'm at. And now we add our pasta, our cooked pasta that we drained earlier. Get that mixed in. And you're done. Lobster sauce pasta. Thanks for watching. Bye girl, bye.
Whisk it, stir it, don't you quit. Add some spice, now that's the hit. Dine in, diving, we're cooking.